If you clicked on this video, chances are you're dealing with that non-stop mental chatter and a stream of negative thoughts. You're overwhelmed, your thoughts are swirling, jumping from one topic to another, imagining worst-case scenarios in the future, and you just can't seem to shut it off. I'm gonna teach you 3 simple and powerful techniques to quiet that annoying inner radio and give you the relief you've been craving. Let's go. Number 1, writing. Picture this. You've got an important project to finish and the deadline is tomorrow. You haven't even started. What if something goes wrong? What will people think? Why did I even sign up for this? In that moment, grab a piece of paper and start writing. Think of it like doing a mental cleanup. When you write, you're pouring those thoughts out onto the page, so your brain doesn't have to carry them around anymore. You're focusing on one thing, and that helps stop your thoughts from bouncing all over the place. This lowers your stress hormones, helps you release tension, and actually boosts your mood. Take a piece of paper and a pen. But if you don't have anything handy, your phone or computer will work too. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Answer this question. What thoughts are running through my head right now? Write down everything that comes to mind. No filter, no censoring. Don't correct yourself, don't judge, and don't worry about spelling or punctuation. Just let it all out. When you're done, take a moment to notice how you feel. What's going on inside you now? Make this a habit, a daily brain dump. The more often you do it, the easier it becomes to get into a calm state. Number 2, flow. You know that feeling when you're so into what you're doing that everything else just fades away? You don't even notice you've got to pee, or that your stomach is growling. That's called the flow state. You're completely in the moment and time stops. The task you're doing just clicks, and even though you're working, you don't feel tired because it feels good. When you're in flow, your full attention is locked on what you're doing, so the mental chatter goes silent. That voice in your head has no time to talk. So, how do you get into flow? Pick something that pulls you in. Flow comes easiest with stuff you actually like, but that still gives you a bit of a challenge, like trying a new level in a video game. Cut distractions. Turn off notifications, close tabs, or put on headphones. Set a clear, specific goal, because your brain likes direction. Write it down. I will beat level 5. Start small. Don't wait around for motivation. Just begin. Flow usually shows up a few minutes after you start. Once you're done, pause and check in. What kind of thoughts are popping up now? How are you feeling? Notice any difference? Number 3, mindfulness. What goes on in your head when you're watching a beautiful sunset through the window? When you're soaking in those colors and you can feel the warm glow on your face? I'm guessing things feel calm in that moment. That's the magic of mindfulness, being fully present right here and now. You're tuned into what's happening in your body, your thoughts, and the world around you without judging. Why does mindfulness help with mental chatter? Because that mental noise is usually stuck in the past or freaking out about the future. Mindfulness says, stop, notice it, and let it go. When you focus on what is happening right now, your brain just doesn't have space for all the overthinking. Here is how to practice mindfulness in a simple way. Focus on your breath and scan your body. Feel the air going in and out. Notice where you're holding tension and gently try to relax those spots. Or take a mindful walk. Just go for a stroll. No destination needed. Soak in your surroundings, the colors, the sounds, and the wind on your skin. When you're done, check in with yourself again. How does your mind and body feel? Do you notice any shift? Which of these 3 ways to calm mental chatter speaks to you the most? And why? Drop a comment and let me know. If you're new to mindfulness, check out this video with a 5-minute guided meditation for beginners for instant calm. Thanks for watching and see you next time.